What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. Today we're finna make some dark beats using stock plugins only. So it's like a really unique dark type of melody. I really like it. So first off, we have this poizone preset ARP sound called tremolo. Really playful. I got halftime on it and portal. And that gave like that sound. I layered it with this other poizone sound. It's like a bass type of sound, a really like nasty growly bass. That's crazy. To this I added some reverb. I added destructor as well, just give like that a little bit of distortion in there, and then I boosted the highs to give like that distortion some more presence. Then another instance of poizone, like it's only poizone, bro. It's too fired. I love to like experiment with plugins I never used before, and today is a day like that. I added this organ sound in there. Super dark on itself. What I just did is copied over these chords from the first poizone sound, and then I hit option A to make like an arpeggiator, and then I just like tweaked it. So I'll do it for you guys. Option A, and then just like these are the settings that I'm using. To this sound I added halftime and some Valhalla vintage verb. It's super dark. Yeah, I like it. And then with the other two sounds, let me turn the bass down a little bit. I like it. I ended with this really loud ambient key sound, also from poizone. It's a synth type of sound. To this I added a lot of reverb just to create like some ambience inside of the melody. And right here when it goes down, it creates like a lot of tension. Ah, that's beautiful. So let's just continue by adding one more sound and then the drums. I just drop these down. Yeah, that's nice. Copy that over and we'll drop these down even more. We can do it like this. Let's just move these over. And I think I want to add some delay to this as well. Right, let's drop everything down. 2 semitones. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, let the beat breathe, and then the kick comes in. Oh, shit. Right here, I want a different type of 808. After this, I'm done making beats, bro. There's no way, bro. There's no way. after this, bro, I'm done. Insane. I think I want like the Z right there. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, insane, bro. Turn that bitch up, uh. Oh. Shit. Oh, brothers and sisters, we made a crazy beat, bro, and all with stock plugins, bro. Poizone is the GOAT. Let me know which plugin you want me to use in the next video. I'll turn this into a series, bro. Comment down below a plugin and I'll test it out for you and make a fire beat. Yes, sir. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you especially learned from this. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at SkanaBeats. Yes, sir. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.